Man, oh man. We just got done with practice. It's dark outside. We've been busy all day. So I know y'all been waiting to see what we do in Miami, but let me tell y'all something. The grind don't stop. We still gonna practice. We still gonna get that work in. And now we have a little bit of fun. We got a dinner cruise today, man. So we're gonna be getting on a yacht. And we're gonna be eating some good food on a boat. So I don't know what this boat look like. I don't know how this cruise set up. So I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Finna freshen up real quick. And then we gonna go downstairs. Dinner cruise, baby. We gonna see what it look like. I wanna see what Morgan's day looking like. Cause she said it's gonna be a good day. So we gonna see what her day looking like too.
Ow, Brody. Y'all, I'm supposed to be recording for today's vlog, but my people who get car sick, oh, you understand. I'm back here drinking Sprite and eating biscuits. I'm struggling. It's flurrying. We're at unclaimed baggage.
Cargo losses, business shipments that are missing. In that case, you're going to see multiples of the same item.
Mom, show me your purse you found. So cute. Yeah.
I got to do this. Hold on. These are my bowl game pants. How you like that? Oh yeah.
Is this your game day shirt, Mom?
Yeah, not the pink. Not
Okay.
the pink, just this.
Purple underneath, or?
This is my game day blazer.
Okay, gotcha. Cool. She's not got the full fit on yet. Wait till you see the pants. And it's snowing. Look. Bo just got him a hardcore chain. Next, we're gonna shave a spot on his tush with a heart that says Mom.
Come here, sit. Brody. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty, Bodie. Look at Morgan. Look at Morgan. How pretty.
Wow, Brody.
Sit.
He's
Brody.
good.
Good boy. You so mean and ferocious. You so mean with your barbed wire necklace. You so mean. Yeah, you so mean. Good boy. Good boy.
And I ain't really show y'all what I got yesterday, so I'm gonna show y'all what we got. So we got this nice Nike shirt right here. It says the Orange Bowl on it. And then we got a Nike Tech. It's black and gray. We got the Orange Bowl patch, Capital One patch right there. And then we got a black, like pullover hoodie, Nike, Capital One with it. And then we got the long sleeve Capital One Orange Bowl shirt. So, I mean, they gave us some drip. And then we got a couple hoodies and pullover stuff before we left that I ain't even opened yet. So, at the end of the year, I'm going to show y'all exactly what you get everything. So, I'm going to show everything that you get at the end of the year. But for the most part, man, that's what we got for the Orange Bowl. All right, man, about to go on the boat cruise dinner. I'm going to show y'all what it look like when we get there. Dang, it's a yacht party? This is big on me. Oh, them boys already smacking.
So the yacht not.
Water with the lemons. Wait for this food, man. Oh, they got skewers. Oh, can I get one, please? I need one.
Back in the vlog, you feel me? Back in that bit. We in that bit on TikTok for real, Ziggy. Who that is? Oh, he.
Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, let me try it.
Oh, I can't go in.
Them jobs is good, but it's a little hot. Got my mouth burning. Jeez, look at the spread. The boat is moving down the harbor. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like I'm about to dig in. I'm about to see what this food tastes. Oh my, the food is actually pretty good. Oh my. I'm about to take you out to the front of this ship, man. We gonna see what the
gotta
first.
stay under here though.
Okay, y'all, man, y'all seen the yacht party. It was kind of lit on there, but for the most part, I can say I've been on plenty of boats before, so it's not my first time actually being on a boat. But I can say like that yacht was pretty. It was set up pretty nice, especially just riding down the harbor in Miami. It's like you can't beat that. So it was kind of a surreal thing, just to eat with the guys. You know, we enjoying each other's company. You know what I'm saying? This is a good week. It's a big week. Y'all see it right here. Legendary week. Capital One Orange Bowl, baby. Not many people can say they played in the Orange Bowl, yet alone get a dub. So Clemson got a good history of winning in the Orange Bowl. So hopefully we can bring that trophy home. You know, seal the deal. Your boy to get 2 more rings. Got 3. I need 2 more. Got the ACC now. We just need to get the Orange Bowl. Solidify this dub. Bring it back home. So I'm anxious to see what it's looking like. I know tomorrow I think we're going to a steakhouse, but it's like one of those good steakhouse, like where you just all you can eat steaks and stuff like that. So that should be pretty interesting, man. I want y'all to see. So like this is my first time actually going to like this type of restaurant in Miami. You know, last time I came to Miami, I was just on South Beach. So it's kind of different this time. So Clemson doing it big. Orange Bowl, baby. And also, man, we practiced at the Miami Dolphins Stadium today. That was the kind of like, whoa. Like, that was kind of a shocker for me. So I'm like, dang, we had the Dolphins facility. So, and we playing at Hard Rock too, man. This year just couldn't get no better. I'm low-key kind of glad that I came back because I got to meet Morgen. And, you know, just this year alone has been one of a great year to remember. So I'm kind of glad I came back. But tomorrow, y'all gonna see us go to the steakhouse, man. Today, y'all seen us go to the Miami facility. You seen Morgan go to the luggage. How you pronounce it? She gonna kill me. The good. She said it was the luggage good. Pack your luggage. I don't know. Something luggage. I don't know what the name was. It's like something luggage. But, you know, she had her little day. Her mom is freaking hilarious. Tay. Honey. What's her? Nah, I ain't gonna do you like that, Tay. Love y'all so much, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with us, man. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And then stay tuned for tomorrow. We gonna vlog the whole trip, day 1 through freaking 7. We doing it all. So y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's video, man. We appreciate y'all so much. We love y'all. Peace. Okay. I gotta say something for you. I love you.